Hello and welcome to Fifth Sparrow No More. I am Kristen and I'm so glad that you're here with me on National Thrift Store Day to walk through a couple of stores in Cumberland Gap, Tennessee. This is Gertie's Commissary and it was an adorable store, especially this front Christmas room. Oh my goodness, so much inspiration. I do love walking through these stores with my dad because he can point out some things that he had when he was young or that he used that his parents had. So it's really fun to go through the history. Look at the price of the quilt. Yes, all the quilts in the store were relatively inexpensive and a good price. We're visiting Cumberland Gap, Tennessee today, and just two little stores in town, and definitely coming back to check out the history and the nature of this town because it is adorable.
I think this is a little bit maybe ironic, because we're asking to simplify, but look at us, we want all the junk.
We came over to Cumberland Gap after my oncologist appointment. My oncologist is located an hour from the house and about 5 minutes from Cumberland Gap, Tennessee. So I wanted to take advantage of how close we were and explore this town. Like I said, I'll definitely be coming back to see more of it. For the appointment today, I had my iron infusion, the second one in this round and the final one. So getting these stores in real quick before that iron infusion kicks in and the side effects happen. These glasses were adorable, red roses on them. And here's more of those quilts that are such a good price. I don't really need quilts, but I love to look at them and see all the beautiful handiwork from it. I'll just play some music here and let you take a look at the rest of the store.
Oh my goodness, look at that light, Dad. You think we can find somewhere to put that? Just put a straw on it. It's a pretty milk glass.
The next store that we went into was the Cumberland Gap Artist Co-op. It also acts as the visitor center for Cumberland Gap, so I do suggest a quick stop here. It will turn into a long stop because of all the beautiful pieces of art that these members of the co-op create. These are felted wool pictures. These are clay Santas. So many different mediums of art.